Please be ready with your revision notebook. Good morning, everyone. How are you all, grade 4C students? Good. So please be ready with your revision notebook, everyone.
Ma'am, the short one.
Revision notebook is the long one. Short one is your class notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
You write it at the top so that you will never get confused. This is the revision notebook, or put a sticker on it. This is the revision notebook. Okay, because almost 4 to 5 days are already, 1 week has already we have spent with this revision notebook. So I hope now you should be clear with that. Okay, which is the revision and which is the class notebook. So if you are still confused, put a big sticker on it. Got it, everyone? Now I am going to present my screen and we will do which revision number now we will do.
Revision number 4.
Revision number 4. Write today's date, write at the top revision 4, write C.W. Please be ready with your notebook. I'm going to present my screen. We are doing revision number 4. So you will write today's date. Date is 15 June 2021, revision number 4, C.W. And the topic is, chapter is 1, expanded form. Please write down fast. I will call the child name. That child will answer me. Am I audible clearly to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is my screen clearly visible to you all? Or I need to do it little bold?
No, ma'am. It is visible.
Okay. Now one by one I'll call your name. That child only will answer me. No one will say ma'am, ma'am. Kashvi.
Yes,
Kashvi,
ma'am.
tell me the how you will expand this number if it is given to you 58,792. How you will expand this number?
5,000.
5,000, it is already 58,000. So you will write 50,000
50,000. 8
plus
plus 8 plus 8,000
yes, 8,000 plus
plus 700
yes
plus 90
plus
plus 2.
yes. Children,
Ma'am, in which book?
which child is this?
Tej Kumar.
Tej Kumar. This is revision. So revision in Bhavya. Let me wait. Bhavya, we are doing revision. Revision, we write it in the revision notebook every day. First of all, you please put your camera stable properly. Let me present the screen again. Mute yourself, everyone. Someone mic is still on. My dear, your mic is still
Ma'am,
on.
Kashmir.
Kashvi, turn off your mic, please.
Sorry, ma'am.
Go to the next one. Next will be given by Mantra. Yes, Mantra. Mantra, you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Mantra, give me the next B answer. How you will expand this number? Mantra, I'll teach you, then you learn it, and then you give me the answer. Okay? Listen again. I will explain you the first one again, how we have done. Mute yourself for a minute. It's 58,792. So 5 is having the place value of 10,000. So it is 50,000. 8,000. 700 means the number will multiply by its place value. So it is, you will write the place value of 5 is 50,000. Place value of 8 is 8,000. Place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 9 is 90. Place value of 2 is 2. And you write the plus in between. Got it, Mantra?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the place value of 1 in this number?
Ma'am, I can say this answer now.
Yeah, please. Yes, please tell.
17,000 plus 6.
17,000 together we will not write. We write 1. We write 10,000. Right? The place value of 1 is 10,000. So we write 10,000. Then plus. Then which will be the next number?
7,000.
7,000. Yes. Then next number?
600.
600. Then next?
50.
50. Very good. The next?
4.
Very good. Excellent. Got it? How we expand the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Next answer will be given by Tej Kumar. Yes, Tej Kumar, give me this answer.
Ma'am, 20,000
20,000
plus
plus
0
0.
plus
Why 0 will come? It's already 20,000 you have done. Okay. 0 plus
900 plus 900
plus
plus 880
80
plus 5.
plus 5. Is it correct, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is next will be given by Manya. Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. 8 lakh.
8 lakh. How many zeros will come in the lakh?
Ma'am, 4.
4.
I mean 5.
5. Then what
Then
will come next?
90,000.
90. How many zeros will come in the 90,000?
Ma'am, 4.
Then what will come next?
7,000.
How many zeros in 7,000?
3.
Next.
600.
How many zeros?
2.
Next.
50. 1 0.
Next.
And 3. No 0.
Thank you. Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Please do it. Only 5 sums are there today. Next, final will be given by Bhavya Sagar. Bhavya Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer how I will expand this number.
2,000.
It is 2,000. See, the place value of 2 is what?
2 lakh.
Yes. How I will write 2 lakh? How many zeros will come along with the lakh?
5.
5. So 2, comma, 0, 0, comma, 3 zeros more. Then which sign will come?
Plus.
Why it is coming plus sign? Because we are expanding the number, right?
Yes.
2 lakh plus, then which number will come?
0.
0. Then plus, then
60.
again 0 of this also will come, no? Thousands. If you
0.
want to skip the 0, you can skip the 0, students. If you want to write, you can write, no problem. 600. 6, how many zeros will come with the 6?
20.
Next number, what will come?
7 plus
First plus will come, then
70.
7070, then plus, sorry, then plus, then next will be
0.
0. Is he correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it in your notebook fast. 5 minutes I will give you to write.
Ma'am, I've completed.
Very good.
Yes.
I can also complete.
Those who have completed, they sit quiet. Let others also complete.
And your voice
Wait,
is stuck.
Vedant, you facing difficulty, log out and log in again, because just now when you were speaking, your voice was breaking. So you better log out and log in again. Am I clearly audible to other students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Vedant, you log out and log in fast.
Ma'am, done.
At 10:30, I will stop the presentation. Still 3 minutes are there. Those who are doing, they please complete fast. I will put the screen down. Okay, no problem. You do it right now. I will. Is it clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please complete this. Done. Can I stop now?
Ma'am, it is last.
Okay. 1 more minute is there to complete. Then I will stop.
Okay. Ma'am, you are gonna send this exercise in classroom also?
Yes, every day you will get the revision in the classroom, but it is better to complete in the class. I will send with the answer key so that you can check your answers But it is better, don't sit in the class, complete your work in the class itself. Don't think ma'am is sending in the class so that we can complete it later on. No, it is classwork, completed in the class only.
Okay, ma'am.
I send because I want you to check your answers and you to go through it, whether it is right or wrong, or whether you have done the right sums or not. That is why, for reference, I send you. But better, I request everyone to complete the classwork in the class itself. So it's 10:30 now. I stop it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to, let me take the attendance for a minute and then we start our today's concept. Children, what we have done in the last class? So who will tell me?
We have done about this meter and centimeter.
Yes, meter and we have done meter
Okay.
and centimeter. Meter and centimeter.
Very
Meter and
good.
long and short.
We have done how to convert it in the meter into the centimeter or centimeter into the meters, right? Units.
Ma'am,
Conversion of
chapter
units we have
long
done.
and short.
Yes. So conversion of the units we have done, how to convert the meter into the centimeter and centimeter into the meters. Now, when you think that you have, Anya, please stable your camera, my dear. And I think there is no need to move around. Stable your camera, sit at one place. If you are writing, so why you are moving? Okay, so now if you get some two objects, for example, if I tell you you went to the market and the carpenter told you the length of the table is 15 meters 65 centimeters and the length of the bed is 40 meters 16 centimeters, for example, I'm doing, and he tells you to add both the lengths, what you will do? If you find the total of both, the length of both the items, you will add,
Ma'am,
you will add.
you can say again because everyone was stuck in my computer, so I have.
Okay, I will repeat it. Children, if you have purchased more than two objects, three objects, and you want to find the total length of that objects, which operation you will apply there?
Ma'am, plus. Plus.
Addition. Yes, you will apply addition if you want to add and find out the length of the total whatever the objects you have taken. So I'll tell you first, I want to show you how to add the length of the two different objects. I'm going to mute myself so that you can see the video clearly.
Meters and centimeters. Add 685 meter 96 centimeters and 93 meter 9 centimeters.
Now note here 685 meter 96 cent. Please Aradhya, sit properly. Your camera is moving. I will also do like this, move around like this. Will you able to understand what the teacher is saying? Please stable your camera. 685 meter 96 centimeters and 93 meters 9 centimeters. There are two different objects are given and the length is given to you. You need to add them. So 685 will go under the meter column and 96 will go under the centimeter column. Always remember, in centimeter there should not be more than 2 digits. Only 2 digits, maximum 2 digits will come in the centimeter. Because why 2 digits are coming in the centimeter? From 1 meter, when you are converting into the centimeters, it's multiplying by 100 and 100 is having 2 zeros. Yes or no? 100 is having 2 zeros, so it is compulsory to have 2 digits in the centimeter, not more than 2 digits. So when you are adding, suppose when you are adding and the 3 digits is coming, the third digit you will not write, you will carry forward it to be another next number. You will see this how we are adding. Next concept is 685 meters. 96 will go in the centimeters. Then next is 93 meters and 9 centimeters. So 9 will come at the last place of the 90. Under 9 9 of the second group will go under which number? Under 6 or under 9? When you're writing here the 96, can you all see my cursor? 96 centimeter is given here of the first group. When you write the second group, where the 9 centimeter will go? Under the 6 or under the 9?
Under the excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm not able to see your cursor.
I will show you. Wait a minute. Can you see my cursor now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Ma'am?
when you write 685 here under the meters and 96 under the centimeters, then you write next group. Next group is 93 meters and 9 centimeters. So now you will see how you will write. See,
Ma'am.
685. Yes, let me explain. I will come to you. 685, 96 centimeters, and this 93 will come here. Here you will not write 9 under this 6 or here 3 and then 0. No, you will write from the back 3, then 9, and then if there is missing anything, we'll leave, or either you write 0. And when you write the 9 centimeter, you will write from the back, not from here. If you write 9 here, then 0 here, it will become 19, not 9. So first you write 9 from the back and then the remaining digit, nothing is here, write 0. Now you will add them. Now 6 plus 9 is what?
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, please. 6 plus 9 is what?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I can
it is 15.
5
Ma'am,
will come here.
Ma'am, the answer will come 779 meter and 5 centimeter.
Okay, let me explain now. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 will come here. 1 will go carry over.
Ma'am,
9. Yes. Which child is saying, ma'am?
Devi.
Yes, please. No. Understand. Another child was also saying in between before also, ma'am. Do you want to ask something? Ask me now. Then I will explain. Anything? Can I move forward? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Here 6 plus 9 is 15. 5. Then 1 is carry forward. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you will not write 10 here because we don't want 3 digits in the centimeters. Always 2 digits will come in the centimeter. So we write 0 here. 1 will go carry forward. 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 9 will come here. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 will come here. 1 will go carry forward. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. It will come. It is by mistake showing 1. Yeah. 6 plus 1 is 7. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me. When I press the
Yes,
button, I'm not able to
Yes,
see it.
ma'am.
So the answer is, when you write down below this, 779 meters, 5 centimeters, you can also say this. This is the way you will do the addition. Got it, everyone? I am going to present my screen and show you the worksheet. Now you will do that worksheet questions in your notebook. That worksheet, listen the question carefully. Listen the topic carefully, what ma'am is saying. Then ask your queries. First, listen it. I'm going to present the screen. There are total 8 sums in that. You do how many sums you are doing in the class. If you are completing 4 sums in the class, remaining 4 sums is your homework. If you are able to do only 2 sums in the class, remaining 6 sums is your homework. So no need to do the sums which you are doing it in the class. No need to repeat them again. Only the remaining sums will be your homework. Am I clear now? I'm
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
present the screen.
Yes,
And I
Yes,
will ask the
ma'am.
questions and give you time. Meantime, okay, this is the worksheet. My screen is visible to you all?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write in a mathematics notebook or revision.
Now in the mathematics notebook. New concept of the running topic, always remember in your maths notebook. Revision word is, if I'm using a revision word, then it will be a revision notebook.
Okay.
This is the worksheet. Start doing.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedant.
ma'am, ma'am, if I do four sums and the four is remaining, so the four remaining you will send it.
I will send the complete entire worksheet in the classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
आपको पूरी worksheet मिल जाएगी. If you have done 2 sums, do the remaining 6 sums at home. If you have not even done in the classwork, then the entire will be your homework. So better, if you want to reduce your homework stress, start doing in the class also. So the first sum is, please write the heading, arrange in columns and add the following lengths, meter and centimeter. This is your revision work. This is your worksheet number 5.
Ma'am, we have to take a new page or I stays in the expanded form. At that
Topic. You are doing the expanded form is done in the revision notebook. Now you will do in the maths notebook because it's your running topic.
Oh,
12 meter, 60 centimeters, 6 meter, 80 centimeter. If you know the answer after calculating, please write it in the notebook or write it in the chat box also. In the notebook also, in the chat box also. First of all, arrange them in the columns. I will show you how your answers will look like this way. 2 meter, 60 centimeters, 6 meter, 80 centimeter. So sorry, 12 meter. 12 meter will go in the meter, 60 centimeter will go in the 60 centimeter. 12 के साथ जो उसका फ्रेंड है सेंटीमीटर में वही जाएगा. डोंट थिंक कि 12 के साथ हम 80 सेंटीमीटर को ले लें. नो, 12 मीटर के साथ 60 सेंटीमीटर ही उसका फ्रेंड है, तो बोथ विल गो टुगेदर साइड बाय साइड. नेक्स्ट इज 6 meter 80 centimeters, so 6 will go under the 2 and 80 centimeters. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 8 is 14, 4, 1 carry forward, 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 and 1. It is 19 meters, 6, 40 centimeters. Don't write 14 here, your answer will be wrong. Only 2 digits we need in the centimeters, not more than 2 digits. Am I clear to you all? Please write this. Do the second one also. Write the answers in the chat box. I will check the chat box also. Now I will explain you the fourth one, bit little different. 12 meter and 7 meter, 12 meter and 7 meter, 2 centimeter. Nothing. Manya, you will give me the answer, Manya. 12 meter is having nothing in the centimeter. So what will go?
Ma'am, 0,
How many zeros?
1.
2
Two.
centimeter. There is compulsory to write 2 digits, 2 zeros. Next child will Vishrut will give me. Vishrut,
Yes, ma'am.
when you write the 7 meter, 2 centimeter below these 12 meters, so where under which number will 7 come in the meter column?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. And when you write 2 centimeter of the 7 meter, so 0 will come first and then the 2 will come up second. I'll show you the answer. Your this will go look like this. 7 will come under the 2 and this will be 0 2, not 2 0. If you write 2 and the 0 back, it will be 20. It will not be 2. If you make it as a 20, your answer will be wrong. Clear? These concepts are clear to you? One thing is in centimeter compulsory to have only 2 digits, not more than 2 digits. If when you are adding the number and you're getting more than 2, you are getting third digit also, just carry forward that number. Clear? Clear till here? It's clear to you all? Yes. Please do.
Ma'am, we have to add.
What it is written here?
Yes, ma'am. Add.
Yes. We are doing from the beginning addition only, not the subtraction. All are addition sums. Write the answer in the chat box also. I will check the chat box meantime. Then once you have written the answer in the chat box, please tell me that ma'am I have written that so that we can check. And come prepare with this. Tomorrow I will ask the answers questions from you all. So please do practice.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay. Which sum number?
Ma'am, first I have also written first and then.
Moksh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First answer is 9. Let me check. Which child is saying? 1940. Yes. Very good, Manya. Very good, Moksh. Only 2 students are active, others are sleeping.
Ma'am, we are right.
After writing, write it in the chat box also so that I can know that your answer is right or not.
Okay, ma'am.
And don't copy paste from others. After doing in the notebook, then write in the chat box. Your answer only, whatever your answer is coming.
Ma'am, Vishnu,
Yes, Vishruth.
I sent the answer in the chat box.
Let me check. Yes, Vishruth. Good. Please compulsory to write the unit also. Very good. Excellent students. Dhanya also written. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then wait a minute. I will present it, right?
Ma'am, I have written two.
Which one you have written, Tej?
Ma'am, first.
First one. Okay. I want from
Please do
second
this.
one also. Granth has written the second one. Let me check the Granth. Granth answer. Yes. Granth, what you have written? Yes. Thank you. Yeah, answer is right. Second one also right. Please do.
Ma'am, I have also returned the second answer.
I will check it. And I will receive the copy of your chat book also. After the class also I will read. Please write in the chat box. And
Ma'am, I
please do in the
also.
notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have doubting second one.
You have a
Doubting second one.
one. Okay. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Tej.
Okay. Stage 60 meter, 35 centimeter, and 120. Mute yourself. Let me explain. 120 meter, 65 centimeters. So this group is bigger, right? So you write 120 meter, 65 in the centimeter, and then 60. I'll show you this answer key, then you will understand better. Now you can understand?
Yes, ma'am.
120 meter and 65 centimeter, then 60 meters, 35 centimeters. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0. 1 will go carry forward. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 will come, 1 will go carry forward. 1 will come down. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 0 is nothing is there. So 1. Got it? 181 meters and 0 centimeters. Tej Kumar. Understood or not? So that I can move to the other.
Understood.
Okay. Any difficulty to any child? Students, any difficulty? When I present,
No,
I'm not
ma'am.
able to see. You give me the answer, reply the answers,
No,
okay?
ma'am. No difficulty. No, ma'am.
Okay, please
No,
do.
ma'am.
Thank you. Please do. Children, it is 10:50 now. I will send this worksheet in the classroom as well. Once your class gets over, you will receive this work. Please complete it. Okay. Please complete it. Tomorrow I will present the screen and show you the answers also so that you can check your answers tomorrow.
Ma'am, Moksh.
Yes, Moksh.
I have written the third one.
Third one, you can check the third answer if your answer is right or wrong. The third answer is 250 meter, 80 centimeter. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, this worksheet you will get in the classroom as well. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.